Hey, what's going on? So we're going to talk about the One Funnel Away Challenge price, but also I'm going to let you know how you can actually start earning $100 commissions just by using the exact same funnel that I use. So are you ready? Let's go. Right, so before we get too far into it, let me just explain to you a little bit around this. So the One Funnel Away Challenge is a 30-day program from Clickfunnels. The guys over there and Russell Brunson deliver content and great stuff to you over the next 30 days, designed to help you learn the skill set to build a sales funnel, right? So it's going from A through to B, including all the framework, all the tech side that you need to make sure that you get this funnel right the first time, but also as well, you can then take it and move on and get more and more funnels done. So I want to show you exactly what the principle is on how you can actually earn $100 every time you recommend this program to other people. So let's get over to the whiteboard now, and I'll show you how it works in principle. Right, so here we are on the whiteboard. Now, let me go backwards a little bit. So what we're going to do is we want people to go to the One Funnel, Away sign up, right? Sign up page, right? I'm useless at doing these on this. Right, One Funnel Away sign up. But what we don't want to do is send traffic directly there, right? That would be crazy if we did that, because these people are not geared up. They don't know what's going on. Also, as well, you're missing out a valuable point when it comes to affiliate marketing, which what we're talking about is we want to be able to deliver something of value to increase the perceived value that they're going to get by joining this One Funnel Away challenge, right? So what we need to do is create a bridge page. Again, this is terrible, right? So now the traffic comes into here and we send it over to there, and we get a nice $100 commission every time it does. And if you work it out right, you're going to get results just like this. Now that sounds like a pretty decent offer, right? So let's figure this out properly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to give you, I'm going to clear that, hang on. I'm going to give you my own bridge page that you can use, which you can then send people to the sign up page, right? And of course we need that traffic in the front end. So we're going to need to cover that as well. So we'll get to that in a second, but let's go over and see what this bridge page looks like and how you can actually convert it to your own affiliate account. All right, so here we are on the bridge page itself. So you're going to get a copy of this, and I'm going to tell you in a little while how you can actually go ahead and make it your own, right? So you won't have me on that video, you're going to have you on that video, and you're going to have your links on it, not my links and all that good stuff. So you can start earning that $100 commission, right? So let's just take a quick look at the page itself, right? So this is where the video goes. This link opens up a pop-up, which I'll just show you here, right? That's my email address. So you would put that in, put your own email address in there. And as soon as it clicks that, it takes them over to the One Funnel Away page. So let's just do that real quick. So you know it works. Click. And here we go. Right. So this is the One Funnel Away sign up page. Someone clicks on that button, they go ahead and get in, and they get all this good stuff and all this value, right? So this is the stuff, this is the offer stack that Russell Brunson puts together, right? So we want to emulate that type of thing. So let's just go back over to the bridge page itself. Right, so once that loads up, you're going to want to make sure that you change up certain points in this. Well, obviously, you're going to want to put your name, not my name. You're going to want to be able to put these bonuses in here as well, some of which you can actually make real easy. And if you're not sure about bonuses at all, you don't even have to do them, right? So you can always delete this part out if you want and just have it going directly to Russell's offer. But I always say it's a good idea to have bonuses, because then you increase the actual value even more so, right? So in my case here, I've got value from Russell Brunson at 3126, value from me at 6770, total value close to 10,000, and all they need to do to pay is $100, right? And if you remember, this is all about the One Funnel Away challenge price, and of course it's $100, but you only need to recommend it to one other person and you can get that $100 back And of course, every time you recommend it to other people, you're then getting an extra $100 commission, which sounds pretty good, right? And you want to just copy the link directly to that video and put it in there. Always make sure that when you are copy and pasting, you get to the end and you just hit return to make sure that it goes on that. Bear in mind, each time you want to do is save the page as well. Very important, save the page, right? And so let's go down. So here, you're going to want to be able to switch this out. So you put your own picture in here, and you just click there, click on there, and that will open up the whole pictures and all that sort of thing. So you can upload your own photo into there real easy, just drag and drop, and away it goes. I would change this date around if you want, because each time they do one funnel away challenge, the date has changed. So as you can see, mine, the registration ended on January 10th of 2021. This will change, and that's something that I'm going to do as soon as we finish this video, right? So you change that, make sure this is the same, so it goes up to there. This is all graphics, so it's cool. Change your name out for mine. Switch out these. If you don't want to include your own bonuses, then you can just delete this whole section here. All you need to do is go to each one, hit that delete button. It will ask you to confirm it, and then it's deleted. So you can switch it all out if you want to, put your own bits and pieces in here. Obviously, you want to make sure you keep this in. This is a good graphic to stay in, and then you will change that up. So if you're just using the value from Russell's, 3126 is what goes in there, $100 stays there. And you can change all that bonus stuff as well there and keep the date and all that good stuff, right? This is all just the graphics, so you're fine with that. If you've got testimonials, this is a great place to put them at the bottom. So if you've worked with anyone or anyone said anything good online about you ever, this is a great place to put it. So you can, and again, these are just all screen grabs. So these are just photos. Dead easy, and a couple of videos there as well from other people which have worked with me in the past. So dead simple to do. But again, if you don't have anything like that yet, don't worry, it's not a problem. You can just delete that out just by hovering over the delete button on any of them. So on this page, in this section here, I want to keep that because that's inside the blue bit. The blue bit is where it's all housed. I want to keep that, but I want to get rid of that orange bit. Or if this is the case, I want to get rid of both of those, I can go to the orange bit and hit delete there. Same for that one as well. And again, we're going up to here. Now, the pop-up, as we said before, pop-up is fine. That's not a problem at all. And you also want to integrate it with your own email autoresponder as well. And if you don't know how to do that yet, then Clickfunnels does have some help videos on that. So it's very simple to do. So I would go down to my active campaign. I will select add to list, and then I'll hit the refresh API to make sure that it is going to be the latest one of it all. And I would go down to OFA Jan, which is the list that I've created inside of Active Campaign for people which go through this bridge page here. Now, one important thing, as again, always save it, and notice there is a mobile view of this as well. So you'll need to go onto this little icon here, which says mobile, and change everything out on the mobile view as well. Very important. Okay, right, so there we go. What's the one thing that you haven't done yet? Well, this is under the general tab. So go to settings, general, then you need to actually add in your own affiliate link. If you don't, I'll get the sale, and you don't want that. So where do we find your affiliate link? Well, go back into your Clickfunnels account, and then you'll go under, I'll just show you real quick, just log out of here, leave site. So if you go up to this part here, top right, it goes to affiliates, click on that, and it will take you through to your affiliate dashboard. As you can see, doing pretty well, right? So if you want these sort of results, this is an ideal funnel to start with. Now, if you go down to the One Funnel Away Challenge, you can click on that, and that will give you the One Funnel Away Challenge link. If I only press the right button, of course. So we're going to go down to here, One Funnel Away, grab my links. And again, it's still doing the same thing. Oh, such a pain in the bum. Log into that center. There we go. So once you clicked on that button there, you are going to get your One Funnel Away link. Right click, copy, go back to your funnel. and make sure you enter in that general tab as well. Now, when you're recommending it out to other people as well, I always say it's such a brilliant idea to make sure that this is correct. Okay, so switching that out, pasting that in, I will go out, hit save, and you want to make sure that people go to your link in a private window. Why do we say a private window or incognito window? It's because of computer cookies. So if you happen to have been on someone else's site first, sometimes things get dragged in together, whether you see it or not, but other people won't notice that it's gone through to another affiliate. So it's very, very important to do that. The way around that I do this, I normally create a variation. So I'll click on that, duplicate from the first one, and then I'll declare that as a winner, go back to edit page and re-enter my email integration. That should sort everything out. And again, just checking out that you are doing that correctly so that you get the correct affiliate account on there. So anyway, all you need to do then is start sharing that out with people, your link to this bridge page who want to and think they'd be a good fit for the One Funnel Away offer. And that is all about the actual One Funnel Away price and how you can start earning $100 commission every time that you use it.